Seasoned exporters know that exporting, while it can open huge new streams of revenue, isn't exactly inexpensive. So when you're exploring a new tactic or market, it's helpful to keep your costs as low as possible. Meet your new BFF, Step Grants. Hi, Justin Seibert from Direct Online Marketing. And once again, I'm excited to share exporting tips for the West Virginia Development Office on behalf of the West Virginia District Export Council. Step grants are administered through the federal government to state agencies to deliver to qualifying business events in their areas. Luckily for you, the team at the West Virginia Development Office has once again secured these funds for Mountain State businesses, and you can qualify for up to $10,000 of expenses to be reimbursed. Well, they can be used for a wide range of activities. In the past, my agency has used them to offset foreign travel, trade show participation, and U.S. commercial service help. But they can be used for so much more. And several potential ways to leverage these funds can be done without ever leaving your office. Eligible activities include a variety of marketing and advertising activities like translation and localization, search engine optimization, and website development. All these things can make it easier for potential foreign buyers to find you and help them understand how you can help them. Imagine that. More direct sales and prospects lining up to speak with you. One final note. Be aware that these aren't free giveaways. You have to put your skin in the game, as your maximum reimbursement percentage is 50%. It's a good faith sign that you're taking your responsibility seriously. To learn more or apply for STEP grants, contact your friends at the Development Office. Wishing you exporting success and encourage you to be generous with giving and accepting help.